A drop of ink makes millions think. Some truths are not loud, they are illuminous. UPSC in 2024 gave us this descriptively simple yet deeply philosophical essay topic. All ideas having large consequences are always simple. Let's explore this through 8 powerful thought provoking ideas. Number 1, the nature of simplicity. Essence over excess. Complexity dazzles, simplicity endures. Example, Newton's law: an object in motion stays in motion. Simple words that laid the foundation of classical physics. Number 2, moral universality. Ideas that need no explanation. True moral ideas don't require persuasion, they require resonate. Example, all men are created equal. A line that powered revolutions in America, France, and echoed in India's own freedom movement. Number 3, civilizational turning points. Civilizations rise not on elaborate theories but on single clear convictions. Example, Ashoka's turning point of ahimsa, a single word that redefines the ethos of an empire. Number 4, scientific breakthroughs, elegance of truth. The greatest scientific theories are often simple, profound in impact. Example, Watson and Crick's double helix, a simple spiral that unlocked the secret of life. Number 5, faith and philosophy, clarity that endures. The most followed belief system are built on core values that need no complexity. Example, do unto others as you would have them do to you. The golden rule present across faiths, echoed in ethics, still guiding lives. Number 6, Gandhi's simplicity, the power of moral certainty. Simplicity isn't weakness, it's clarity in chaos. Example, be the change you wish to see in the world. Not a policy, not a manifesto, just a simple principle that shook an empire. Number 7, technology, simplicity at scale. Innovation succeeds when the experience is intuitive. Example, the touchscreen, a simple gesture that changed how humans interact with machines. Number 8, personal life. Simple habits, massive consequences. We look for big change in complex ways, but often the smallest shifts matter. Example, the idea of 1% improvement every single day, made famous by James Clear, transforms careers, fitness, relationships, and self-worth. To conclude, you can say simple ideas don't spread because they are easy. They spread because they are true. Truth doesn't hide behind jargon. It speaks plainly and it transforms deeply. The real art of thinking is not to complicate, but to clarify, to arrive at that one idea that echoes through time across life. So what's your simple idea that might change everything? Write this essay in your own words, send it to us. We'll help you improve it with feedback.